Flurried ice cream. Hannah is on holiday in Ireland. She is staying with some Irish friends. They have a son the same age as her, named Kieran. Hannah and Kieran want to buy ice cream. Let us go to Murphy's. They have Ireland's best ice cream. What can I do for you, young lady? What type of ice cream would you like, Hannah? I would like strawberry, please. Would you like a cone or a cup? A cone, please. How many scoops would you like? Take 2, Hannah. It tastes great. I agree with the young man. How much is it? That will be €2. Yes, let me find my purse. No, Hannah. This is my treat. That is very nice of you. My pleasure. Here you are. Thank you. You are welcome. When Hannah gets the ice cream, she licks it, turns round and wants to hug Kieran. At the same time, she smears the ice cream all over his face.